Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ke Jirang constituency uba sustenance sotun mentakas ngi ulalaj ban bu yu maunong rim bantai ke block integrated development complex Assam type hapo ke group 9 ha ke Jinglut ke balakot syaka ar pon nyo pu nyo Klur tingka ha Jirang CNRD block Patharkhmah. Hagani ke singile dan rengkat director ke community and rural development ke Jilla USC Sadhu UMDC ke Jirang constituency uba Victor Rani USDO ke Patharkhmah civil subdivision uba MB Tongper project director ke DRDA Riboy district Raja Brahma BDO ke Jirang CNRD block Dr. PR Hajong nalor ki nongelam snong ki long kemi bat ki reo rangba katany haba ajing keren negani kasni ne kaliang upa sustenance sotun walapan pau ya kajing sngongu ya ke sarkar MDA hapo kajing elam Konrad Sangma kumu menteri rangba ki balathe ya ki kampen roy ne kabenta ki pajba jong ke Jirang constituency hapo kini ki sansnem tam ki balalai nyo uba sustenance sotun lo ongru ba kadai kajing sa jingken mau jiunom ba ke Jirang constituency hapo kajing elam jong ke sarkar MDA kalayo ban pentrai ya ki babon teli ki skim penroy haba yenu jor bat ki wei pat ki constituency nakaba ai khublai kerpang yo menteri rangba Konrad Sangma lembat ke kinhon menteri kabala shimkhia bat penorlong yi ki jingang not jong ki pajba uba sustenance ulapan pauru i kajing sngo benyau halor kajing don jong ki katto kat ningut ki bre ki ba persang ban pentot ya kajing pentrai ya kajing project da ka bakentu ya ki nongelam snong bat ki pajba bagi dei ban a ya kajing trai rengkat ka ba khlan bat banam ai la di ki kenrum kenram bakin mi khnang ba kajing tai ya kajing project kan long ka badep kloi ha ka por ka ba biang bat bakan longru karensan ya ki pajba banyo ya kajing mentoy ki babun ki ba wan kaliang ka sarkar jela.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you.
To express my immense happiness in taking part in today's program. As the video has rightly mentioned, this is my first visit to the block, and this is a very beautiful place. As I travel from Shillong to this place, I could understand that this is a very beautiful place. And also, I got the opportunity to interact with Honorable MLA today. Though I interacted with Honorable MLA many times about the constituency or 4, but in person this is the first meeting with sir also for this program. So I am very happy that the participation of this program has given this opportunity to interact with the local leaders and to understand the place, to understand how the block is functioning. As you all aware that this having a new block office is an effort, is a part of efforts by the government to create and upgrade infrastructure, particularly at the grassroots level. And CNRD block is one of the grassroots level institutions which in fact has direct access to the people, which is at the cutting edge level of implementation of various schemes, interacting with the people, and also to work in coordination with other line departments. So having a proper office, proper workspace is very important in a way that it will encourage BDO and attached staff to work hard in the coming days, and it should motivate them to work closely with other line departments and also to be more responsive and sensitized in dealing with public relations and in dealing with public. So I hope that this inaugural program today, this laying a foundation stone program today, will help us in motivating us in better service delivery in the future, and also to have better public relations and catering to the needs of the public in this region. As you all know that this year we are focusing particularly on rural housing. The department is focusing on universal housing. That if we understand it properly, the houses that were constructed in the last 5 to 6 years, the combined cumulative total of all these 5 or 6 years, that in this one single year we are constructing more number of houses than what we have done in the last 5-6 years. So this is a huge task for us, but I hope that block team and district team are up to this. At the same time, the block team requires the support from community leaders, require community from require support from all people, all beneficiaries, so that we can complete all these tasks in a time-bound manner. And the ultimate objective of all these programs is that, as we all understand, that not the program in itself, but to bring more peace and prosperity in this region. I hope and I wish that this today's event will bring that new beginning of more peace and prosperity in this region. I would like to sincerely wish the entire team of BDO and his entire team all the very best for this new beginning. Thank you very much.
Our Director Senadi, Joseph, my colleague, Thomas, Project Director, Victor Rani, EMC, all officers present here, the staff of the block office and admin, the villagers all present here, ladies and gentlemen. So I would like to speak in Khasi, I think that will be better. The Jinglut ni di kemen kan New York ni kompleks semua. Kenapa di kebuat lah, dia perlu lah player ni kompleks lah. Dan guys harus cakap lah player ni initiative atau komiti. Keling-keling lah apa penhai yang ni kalau development keling kas ni berjalan ni. Tinggi dan bok bah ni Patharkhmah ni layo under the leadership of Sir Andi Jungi. Naru mensuahi lah keren ni kinon lah yang ni kan kompleks ni. But ini kebuat dan bok bah mari bagai sini. Terus ini layo semua ni duit tan tidak dengan layo saya ni. Dengan sungin ai boleh tepang di seremoni dah kebuat hati ni layo. Di kultur saya ini tentang abun di development hari ke subdivision itu. Stroke nilayo, subdivision nilayo, tentang dengan blok kompleks nilayo. Cenderung rubun ki tentang wan tentang. Lalu ya keren di MD lalu baru belum lagi kan di situ. Kesalap haki akan wadi center tentang kesewan di solar panel haki ni ki sub center ru kila app untuk kafun kita bon haki upgradation kalian ki bentar dengan subdivision. Di ni kemen pakai sedang dari kompleks semua ni project director ni akan mana yang ni ke administration kamjan sini baik pak. Dapat kamjan sini baik pak kawan kan kajing ai syakri ke kamsuk. Ini ya ke kamsuk pada kawan kalau ke kamsuk kajing train ke kamha pada development bukan kamsted. Dan ini hingga cukup dulu di sesi dengan pinai di keman kajian di kawasan sungai hingga ba kemudian mana kan kajing kan kamha show tas kaman jingwan ni kan yang integrated complex ketika kita ni kaya ba integrated complex man pak kai kendan hakal ke cakap besuk ya pak kai berbagai services punya hang ni nungkaman lecture yang someone solution ni hang ni punya pak kai kan mana ya ka jik besuk hamani ai bijing syakri kibat ba tangin kenti ni selisian resubon all the best ya ketika blog but we sufficient appreciate.
It is of no use if this new building will come out and staff will come here to the office for 2-3 days only. Our people needs you. The people of Jirang constituency needs you. Our headman, secretary, VC chairman, secretary, they need you. They need this office to complete the works. Dengan karpat ia kerja telang. Inong ilam senong, VC chairman, secretary, ka office jom video kanon kam ia kerja telang lebih. Kini ka office ka Patharkhmah on sependep no kloy but ingin skemba lingba kini ka office ka Patharkhmah ngit sanang la ban kintiu ya kini ka dong ka thai ka jungi ka bahap ha ka jingpe jingmi jong ka jirang si ana biblok tilong mi kirangwa ki sama ki nongelam jogi snong ki paper ki bedon na kini ka por ka bentar Ngidon kam barobor bandon yang katakan jing songu nak bentar ke jingle apa juga soga. Namar ngitip bahagi ni kisam senam ke belalai. Ke soga kalau lepa bah nak bentar ke jirang konsensi, kadang ke record ke jirang konsensi. The government has done very well. in the last 5 years. It's a record also with regards to many departmental schemes, with regards to many other developments. It is because of the teamwork of the government and the officers. It's the hard work of all the officers, the Honorable Chief Ministers, the ministers concerned, together with your local MLA and MTC. We are happy. We are very happy, especially myself as the MLA. I'm very happy that my people, the people of my constituency, they are seeing the light of the day. That many developmental works happened in my time. At the time of the MDA government. Perlok Barok, Yedon, Hakanika Kamera, Yuan Nakabanta, when a Sakilang Hakawide, Bakanika, Jingpli, Mauno Rim Nakabanta, Mansnai, a building about a mine. Yakarpa, if you borrow away. Ban continue Yakadok at time, Ban continue the constancy, but continue the block. Lada batang ki officers tang video bagi staff kim ki bantre na kabanta jopi lama bhi pimwan syakmat bani tre lang bak office jong video ngatai kalong kabae hado kata dan kami kat teamwork kabak lain kumno bangin nang la ban pencelon ikikam bagadong kathan gejungi hi ketika remote area ichnai nasor. One of the remotest constituency, Jirang, especially Jirang, C&N block. Nakan pau yang instrumen keberhatu kata-kata, adin pengilayo ban beli perda yang mau nongrim, nak kebenca ke office Patharkhmah. Ke office Patharkhmah jauh ke Jirang C&N block. Kaya office jauh ke sena di blok mentala bun sem aku senam tam berhadirin aku senam tam iyo ya ke office ke Patharkhmah hakaba kinhab hakaba kontraktor haban pendep kloy hakbini bat kenika construction ya kenika building ke Patharkhmah. Ngaso ban penpau ya ke jingero kaburam ke bakrau ya Honorable Chief Minister Minister in charge CNRD block ya ka jingyo ichnai ke jumti ya ka sarkar MDA Kaba la ay kenika sanction Nakabanta Bansnai ke office ke Patharkhmah katung ke jingdon kam jong video di staff baro hagani ke office Kajirang constituency ketika constituency ke Sokar MTA 1 at the time 2018 to 2023 kaba la Shimkia Nakabanta ka overall development hakani ka constituency ka jungi. Ngatrai baro pia menjuri kata. Denum dai. Baro pia menjuri kata baka MDA 1 hak jingilam jung Sir Conrad ki sama beri Honorable Chief Minister jungi. Cipun ba ki development ngilayo. But ngakwa bangkerpat Yapi baro iwe pe iwe. Kumkin nong ilam shnong. Ka sarkar kadon kam ya ka ji trailang junki officers. Ka sarkar kadon kam ya ka ji trailang jong ki nong ilam shnong baro. Kumju mangi kumki nong nikmat kumki MLA Ni don't come here ka jirap jang ka sarkar, ka jitre lang ka sarkar. Ni don't come here ka jitre lang but the officers. As MLAs, we need the teamwork of the officers. Without the hard work of the officers, the aim and objectives of your representatives, I don't think that it will succeed. We need strong teamwork. We don't come here to jay trailer. Take kunjuk we don't come here biru but I to jay trailer. Ka office jo video ka don't come here to jay trailer but ki VCs ki fair ki chairman ki secretary ki rongwash nong ki secretary nong ki fair. Ka office jo video and as a video of Jirang Siam developed, Dr. Hajam also needs the cooperation of all the staff and all the headmen, secretary, the VC chairman, secretary, and all the concerned villages. Now this building will come out, a new building. This new building will come out for the office of BDO